What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below. But today I'm going to be going over a quick trade recap over QQQ that I took today using the triple line method. So tap in and hope you learned something. So like I said, today we'll be going over a QQQ put that I took using the triple line method here today. If you guys are new to the triple line method and kind of what we do, again, triple line method is a strategy that Jordan created that shows it's just three lines that upper level, lower level, and a middle level, basically playing rotations from line to line, and that's basically the strategy. And Jordan will get more into that in a webinar. So if you haven't, make sure you join his webinar. I'll put the link down in my description. Make sure you book into that webinar. There's only a few spots available, so make sure you book in. Again, gonna go over this QQQ put today. The biggest thing is I'm going to not only show you what I did, but I'm also going to teach you exactly how I knew, or not knew, but how I was able to play this and why. So more than just, here I made money, but let me actually show you exactly how so you can as well. Okay. So if we get into it, okay, let me go back on replay mode, kind of go back to when the market opened here today. Market opened, it was just right here. So pre-market plan, I noticed we had kind of a higher time frame balance zone. So I was looking for some type of rotation from that, just giving me confirmation again. But it really just came down to a simple, price action plus breakup structure plus supply and demand type of and stop hunt type of strategy. If you guys are in the vault, which most of you guys will be, make sure that it's going to be right in here. To give you more context, right here, right under market structure mastery course, I'm going to give you. So if you watch supply and demand plus the market structure mastery course, you're going to get everything from this video to a T, right? You're going to understand perfectly exactly what I'm talking about. Also, make sure that when I go live every single Wednesday inside the vault, okay, so make sure that you are there on Wednesday. We'll go over live trading again, education, not alerts. Making sure everyone inside the vault is successful. So make sure you tap in here. If you need to, just add that to your calendar. Going back to QQQ, again, pre-market plan. I was playing some type of, I was leaning, to the short side from the beginning. So I was just looking for, I want sellers to show me that they're there, right? That's what I'm looking for. Waiting for sellers to show me that they're there. Okay. Again, start the day looking at the 15-minute. Obviously, we gapped up right around here. We were gapping up in there. So I knew, okay, so in order for shorts to be playable, well, first of all, in order for longs to be playable, right, I want price to come back into demand and then react, right? I want to see buyers step in. Okay? Didn't happen, right? So my other thing is, okay, in order to go short, what do I need to see? Okay, my short bias was, okay, I want to see if we're opening up here, I want to see us, dump fast, dump hard, get inside of the triple line, the upper line, right, and take out this low, take out demand. Right, if we're able to do that, hold inside, can easily play rotation down to the other side. All right, it's all pre-market plan right there. Play rotation down the other side, 1.1 hour trade. So once it does open, right, we can look down at a lower time frame. We're able to see that. So once the market opens, let's just watch it together. We obviously open up outside, come inside, and then again, just waiting for my low to be taken out. Okay. At this moment, right, I don't know what's going to happen. Again, this is me teaching you my thought process, showing you my thought process through this trade. At this current moment, as we're paused here, I don't know if price is going to go up and continue to highs, or if we're going to pull back and head for the outer level of TLM, right? That's what I want to play, right? That's what I want to play because that's where the greatest risk reward is going to be to the downside when we get sellers to step in. Okay. So first of all, what do we have here? Right. We have a stop on the previous day high. Right. Stop on is just going to be a fast reversal. Boom. Okay. And then from there, waiting for the right trigger. Right. I know that, okay, at the break of this low with my stop outside of the triple line, with my target at the bottom of the triple line, I have a solid risk reward. I can take that trade. Right. So now it's just me waiting. Right. And the reason I don't want to get short here is because, like I said before, I don't know if this demand will hold and we'll see new highs, or if we'll go see new lows. I need confirmations to align, right? We let it play out. Again, waiting, right? I see the low get taken out, right? I see an increase in volume, right? Thinking that it could be a potential stop up, right? Could be a potential stop up. We're unable to close below this low, right? However, most of the time, if we stop hunt one way, we typically don't stop hunt the other way. Very rarely do we see, right, stop hunt, move higher. Very rarely. Usually it's stop hunt one way, rotation to the other, right? As price gets down to this level, again, I'm just waiting for this low to break, right? So this low is going to, if we break this low, this is going to tell me, hey, shorts are the right play, right? We already have confirmation. We have stop hunt of the high. We have, price came into demand. If demand fails, if this low fails, I can place shorts down to here, right? Again, as we kind of go through, I'm watching. I see that we just dump, but what happens? We have a big volume increase, and it looks like a potential stop hunt as well. Like I said earlier, it's very rare that we won't stop hunt either way. We will stop hunt either way, and then make a move higher, right? It's pretty rare, but I just didn't want to risk it, right? So I kind of told myself, okay, if the next candle gets kind of in that area, if it closes in this area, we don't, this candle's not green, basically, I will look to get short, right here, right? Again, my stop is going to be up here, target here. So I'm kind of just at this moment, I'm just kind of like watching, I'm watching and waiting for like about a minute. And I'm just waiting to see what that next candle does. Right, that next candle, it closes kind of like that. It's clearly like a red. It looks fine. I think I entered here. I did enter a little bit earlier than my original plan, but I was just like, no, that looks solid. Let's get in. Again, another big volume spike both ways. Good chance this demand zone is going to fail. We're going to see new lows because it's not all about this demand zone. It's about, okay, what happened before. Okay. And then, so I got in, stop outside of my upper line, right here. Let me erase that. Stop above my upper line, right there, kind of, this supply right here for protection, right? And then, let it play out, right? Obviously, it's not instant take profit. It's not right to my target. There's some pullbacks, and I was pretty much up the whole time, which I'm happy about. But really, just let it play out, and filled right through my level, right through the lower level TLM for a quick. It was about 197, I believe. Again, I posted that right inside of the vault, right in vault wins. 200 on, so it's 197 on QQQ. And then I posted that right here on my Twitter. Again, another thing, if you guys don't follow me, go ahead, and my link's in the description as well. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter, Zach_FT_trading on Twitter. Again, showing my exact entry, trade recap, as well as my profits right here, making 196. Again, $200 a day. That's going to compound to financial freedom for life. So nothing better than that. Made that in 12 minutes. 12-minute trade. Let's look at it. Right. Yep. 15 minutes. 15 minutes of trading. Made $200. Where can you beat that? You can't beat that anywhere. Awesome to see. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave some comments down below. If you like the video, let me know. Again, if you'd like to see more of these recaps, let me know as well. I'd love to do them. Hold me accountable to them. I'll be more likely to do them if you do. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.